Ramp, a Warsaw-based crypto startup, announced today it has received an open banking license in Europe after being authorized by the Polish Financial Supervision Authority, non-FI. This will allow for faster, simpler and cheaper processing of crypto transactions in the entire European Union. After a 13-month registration process, Ramp is now a fully licensed account information service provider (ISP). This means that Ramp is able to access banking data on behalf of the bank account owner in all banks across the European Union. All banks are required to give Ramp access to the payment data of their consenting users. By connecting to bank APIs directly, Ramp makes it possible to settle transactions based on API connections with banks. Operating as a p2p marketplace where liquidity pool owners, sellers of cryptocurrency, provide liquidity to end users, the buyers of cryptocurrency. Two key elements of Ramp's system include Ramp Instant and Ramp Pools. Transactions between individual users are settled using open banking APIs. At present, Ramp is available in the. You can read full post on Cryptophans News, link available in text below.